Alright, so we officially got to Denver about an hour-ish ago. It is insane. This road that goes along here just goes on for probably 6 or 7 miles, and it just wraps around the entire mountain. Love to come down here and run up and down the stairs for exercise. This place is open year-round, but they usually only have concerts during like the spring, fall, summer, and it's just an incredible place and somewhere that I've always wanted to go to. So, all right, the next stop on our little adventure is the Denver Zoo. Now we are walking around downtown for a bit, and we're gonna go to our hotel and see if we can check in early, hopefully, because we'd all love a nap. Otherwise, that's the update with that. Alright, this is now the second Whole Foods store we've gone to. We've probably spent a good hour and a half looking at all the stuff here. I mean, the cakes, all right, these aren't very impressive, but look at that, carrot cake. I don't even know, this just says yellow cake with strawberries. And so we're gonna do some more exploring and see what else we can find. There's so many olives. I don't think I've ever seen that many olives before. They have an entire, like, whole section of cheese. I'd like a wheel of cheese, please. Alright, that was a little bit of a late start. Last night before I went to bed, I checked the GPS and put in Breckenridge, because that's where I'm going skiing today. And it told me I had about an hour. And I was like, oh great. So I got up at 7, then give me an hour. I'd be there by 8:15. And then this morning when I got up, I went to put it in the phone and it said 2 hours because there's snow, and I guess I didn't realize that. It's been pretty much this bumper to bumper traffic for the last like half hour, and I have absolutely no service app at all. Something interesting for you guys who don't know, if you see those big nets up top, those are for rocks, from preventing them from killing me. We're up in the mountains in Colorado, and we're not moving, and it's totally all right. Yeah, boy. Finally, after about 3 hours of driving, I made it to Frisco, which is just outside of Breckenridge and the whole ski area. So I am pursuing the route and cannot wait to get on the mountain. And this guy has got this giant pet rabbit. It's crazy. Here. So I've made it onto the gondola, and this is what we take to get to the top of the hill. Normally you're on a chairlift, which, I mean, I'll show you a video of that in a little while once I'm on one, but the gondola is awesome because you go in here and it's all open. You can be with your friends or by yourself like me. Alright, I just got on the actual like chairlift, which is cool. I mean, it's a lot slower. It's not as cool as the gondola. It's windy right now. Done skiing, it was amazing. I am exhausted.
It's been a while since I've skied like that, and my legs feel like jello. So I got about a 2-hour drive. If anything interesting happens, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, I'll see you there. Forgot to film the last entire day, so this is after a 13-hour drive. We freaking made it. We'll see you later.